angry? Why are you angry? I need everyone to smile like this. Everyone smile. Okay, thanks. My name is Shabone. I'm the second speaker of this proposing team on our debate of today, which have the motion says that the mining should be abolished in Rwanda to protect the environment. Thanks.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here as the first speaker in the proposal side. Yes, I'm so happy to be with you. I invite you to be with us in order to share how mining should be abolished in Rwanda in order to protect our environment. Yes.
And also, hello, greet the audience. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. My friend, the reason why we are here, it is due to the development. To mean that you can't develop without mining activity. Good afternoon, my name is Habiman Emmanuel. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. I'm the second speaker from the opposing side. Just we are here for talking about mining must be applied in Rwanda for the development. My name is Rebuttals. Hi.
Good afternoon once again.
Good afternoon.
I'm here as a first speaker in the opposing team. I am opposing with this motion which says that mining should be abolished in Rwanda to protect the environment. This is not true. Mining should not be abolished in Rwanda to protect the environment, but should not be abolished in order to let the environment grow. Thanks.
And also, here, as an audience. So I may ask everyone to stand up. Then, as you are an audience, you are going to greet the others by using the sound hi. Hi. So thanks. Now, before we start our debate, I may ask everyone to be attentive.
Yes.
And our debate will take only 10 minutes. We have only 2.5 minutes for every speaker. So let's ask everyone to be ready. Just now, let's start on the proposing side. You are welcome.
Good afternoon, once again, ladies and gentlemen. As I told you, my name is EBIDASANZWE. I'm the first speaker of the proposing side. What we are going to discuss about it is that mining should be abolished in Rwanda to protect environment. Is this true?
Yes.
Do you think it is true? This it means that we have to remove the mining in order to protect the sustainable lives of the people. As the proposing side, in our opinions to defend this motion, my opinion says that if you have the mind, you have to think about your lives. It is why, as I see this opposing side, according to their opinions and their feelings, I think that they are innocent. Because if you are a healthy man, you can say that mining should stay alive. Then, mining, it leads to the degradation of the environment. Do you know environment?
Yes.
You know that to be live well, to give people the good life, they need to be in good environment. Then, and you know that mining leads to the degradation of environment. Then, you as a people, you have to help the government or to encourage the government to remove mining for your lives, isn't it? Yes. Then I want you to put hand in hand to fight against mining in order to to sustain your lives. Thanks.
Thanks. And also, you are allowed to give the others your
Good afternoon again. So this is the first speaker of this opposing the motion. My best friend Elise. Are you called Elise? Stand up. Then I would like to ask you the one question, if it is possible. But if not, say it. Thank you very much. What is a development?
Development.
Yes.
Before answering me.
Thank you very much. The development is to have a critical thinking in your head. The reason why you refuse me to do not stand up, to mean that you are not developed. To mean that your standing also, it shows that because me, you look, I'm smart, because I'm adjusted my shape very well, isn't it? Also there that we have what is a development in the gender balance. What is your gender balance? My friend, the reason why we are developed in our head is due to mining, because it is an activity that we have just finished to do so as to bring money, and also we have just developed our life. Development comes from that mining. Mining helps the people to become developed. Thank you very much.
So, and also, welcome.
My friend, once again, how are you? What about fucking thinking about my friend? And even his mind, he deals with smartness. He don't know about development. Even development, it is not like it's not it's not like the structure you are.
Yeah.
The development is in mind by thinking what about the life of people.
Yeah.
Even we can when may you you have an idea, let me express myself. In order to get sustainable development and good life, it serves an environment. And even mining activity, we know that it is the one activity which degrades what? Environment. Even an environment when it is degraded, means there is no life habitat to be lost with the people. No life living with the people. That's my thanks, my friend.
Do you have another idea? Yes. Welcome.
Thank you once again. Thank you. My friend, let me think the nonsense idea of voting. We are here for environment and it is there for us. Without me, environment is mean nothing. Without it also, I mean nothing. Yes, I agree. But mining is the first and the first from the development. Meaning that the environment, let me just ask you, what you this house is written with mining. Mining is just a whole development of a whole world. Land is constructed with stone, minerals, sand, that comes from mining.
Come again. So, do you have another idea?
Yes.
So,
There is
continue.
another idea. My sister, you said that you are here because of environment.
Yes,
but in
he
your
said
mind, you don't know to protect the environment. In your mind, you are not sitting away. My sister, you know that, you know Chato Sector?
No.
In the Chato Sector, there is an impaired land because of mining, where there is many dams from that mining. Mining may be oppressive because they have many effects to our life. You know that in mining there is many accidents.
Yes.
Do you think?
No.
Do you think that? So that's why mining is not necessary in Rwanda. Because you know that in Rwanda we does not have an industry that can produce that minerals from mining. It is not needed, I think. Are you understand?
How are you? As you know, mining should not be abolition. There's my pattern who are proposing with this motion. I think that they are power skill because do you see them? They are wearing the watch which are covered by or electroplated by some minerals which are mined during mining. You see that they are smart, but they are saying that mining should be abolition. I don't know what kind of thinking you have. Because you know that when mining activity is being carried out, there is a border which cover that area in order to prevent the people to be surrounded there.
Yes.
You know, to be around there.
Yes.
Now, I don't know what type of impact you are saying. You are saying the environment. You don't know what type of environment. Maybe people, but people. I have told you that there is a border. Do you understand? There is a border which prevents people to cross the day. You see, they are wearing a watch, they have shoes with iron.
Just now, I think everyone is ready. Yes. So, just in this time, let's give the time for the judges to come here and give us the feedback or the final results.